Let's talk about the Q50 Catalytic Converter, which sounds like something cooked up in a mad scientist's garage, but is really just a chunk of metal between your engine and the environment. Still, it's hiding powerful secrets most car owners miss, with repair costs that send people scrambling for answers. People think of the catalytic converter as something you don't mess with until your check engine light flips on, or your car starts sounding like a lawnmower because someone's taken it in the night. That's a very solid pain point. It's the number one stolen car part in my city, easily. Why do the thieves love it? There's $100 to $400 worth of platinum, palladium, and rhodium tucked inside, depending on the model year. Most car owners have no idea they're driving around with this tiny, precious metal bank account under their car. If your Infiniti Q50 starts losing power, gets terrible gas mileage, or won't pass emissions, guess what? The catalytic converter's likely the culprit. No one wants to replace it, because new ones cost anywhere from $700 to $2,000 with labor. That's a vacation right there. Now, Infiniti Q50 owners see the dreaded P0420 engine code and instantly picture their wallet crying. This code, by the way, is the universal "your emissions are not okay" warning. Ignore it long enough, and your car can fail you at the worst possible moment. Here's where most go wrong. They assume they can just clear the code and keep driving. That works as well as putting duct tape over a leaking pipe. The real pro move is a diagnosis. Local mechanic, exhaust system shop, or a scan tool at a parts store. Sometimes it's just an oxygen sensor. If you're handy, you can check for clogs or damage underneath, look for dents, scorch marks, or rattling sounds. I once found a squirrel nest inside a converter. True story. Stuff like that happens more often than you'd guess, especially up here in the Pacific Northwest. Here's a big number. The Q50 is one of the top 10 luxury sedans targeted for catalytic converter theft in the U.S. Why? Mid-height, roomy ground clearance, and those juicy precious metals. Can't overstate the importance of good locks, secure parking, and sometimes a metal shield. When it comes to replacement, you have options. Aftermarket converters can save you hundreds, but golden rule: always check that it's CARB compliant if you're in California, or it won't pass inspection. Don't go down the rabbit hole of cheap eBay deals that fail you 6 months later. One pro tip: get a professional to weld the new one rather than clamp it. It's harder to steal, lasts longer, and you aren't left chasing exhaust leaks. If your car is loud after a replacement, you almost definitely went with clamps. If you're looking to boost longevity, quick tip: run high-quality fuel, keep up on oil changes, and avoid letting your car idle forever. Unburned fuel is what kills these things prematurely. I know nobody likes car maintenance, but losing $1,000 on this part will convince anyone. So, that's the life of a Q50 catalytic converter. 1 minute it's a forgotten pipe under your car. The next, it's the reason you're calling a tow truck or arguing with insurance. Trust me, a little knowledge up front saves a ton of grief down the road.